Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science aesthetically. First, create an inspiring study environment. A clean, organized space with good lighting and minimal clutter can significantly boost your focus. Consider adding a plant or some art to make it more inviting. Next, gather your favorite pens, highlighters, and notebooks. Having tools you enjoy using makes the process more engaging and less like a chore. Visual learning is key for science. Start by drawing detailed diagrams and flowcharts for complex processes like cellular respiration or the water cycle. Mind maps are excellent for connecting related concepts, showing how different ideas link together. Don't be afraid to sketch out scientific illustrations. This active recall method helps solidify information in your memory and makes studying more interactive. Make your notes a work of art. Instead of just writing, try summarizing topics with visually appealing handwritten notes, perhaps using different fonts or layouts. Create flashcards with clear, concise scientific definitions and formulas, adding small drawings to aid recall. Experiment with various artistic styles for your note-taking. This personalizes your study materials and makes reviewing much more enjoyable and effective. To maintain your aesthetic study habits, consistent review is crucial. Regularly revisit your beautifully crafted notes and diagrams to solidify your scientific knowledge. Reward yourself for completing study sessions, perhaps with a short break or a favorite snack. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keeping your study space tidy with smart tools helps maintain that inspiring environment, making your learning journey both productive and pleasant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.